Hi everyone, it's Tom here from Pelican. I've got another new product update. We've got a range of new products which are soft cushions. Historically, we've always worked with medium or high density foam for bed positioning supports. We've now flipped that and we're going to go with some very soft cushions. This might replace the need to stack pillows on top of each other around the person in bed. We're using a soft hollow core polyester fibre on the inside. We use a contrasting colour zip to the material cover. This is a material often used in sportswear to wick moisture away. A complete product is the filling inside a white cover. We're recommending that people get an extra spare cover which goes over the top, so you can just take that one cover off for the wash. That's the white option. This is the black option. You can see the zip easily. This is the waterproof cover. So on this one we're stitching and heat sealing the seams except for the zip. So it's not a 100% sealed unit, but the material is waterproof. This is the leg abduction cushion. I'll go through quickly the different types of cushions and we'll put those up on the screen. We've got the soft wedge cushion, the soft leg abduction cushion, the soft heel cushion, the soft arm and hand cushion. There are two soft general cushions. We've got the small size and the large size. The soft hugging cushion, the soft lateral cushion, the soft U-shaped cushion, and two of the soft ring cushions, the small size and the large size. So when you buy a complete product, it will come in a Ziploc bag and you can take the air out for storage. I'm going to do this one now, so you just need to slide the slider across, undo the cap. This is the flat pack board. So it ends up nice and small. Now for most people at home, the storage isn't going to be so much of an issue, but for therapists who might have a storeroom full of these things, to be able to pack them really flat might be really handy, either flat or sideways. You can buy extra filling. They come in these 2 kilogram bags. So if you want to put more stuffing into them, you can do. The flat pack board and the Ziploc bags are really great for storage. So I'm going to show you an example. This is one of the larger cushions. You can see how small it packs here, and I'll just bring it out. When you first get it out, you might just need to sort of refluff it a little bit. So that's the size of this one. The material we're using, it's a material often used in sportswear, and it's designed to wick moisture away. So that's quite good. I can't stress highly enough the value of getting an extra cover, just so you have to wash that extra cover. There's lots of different sizes that we just went through. If you do need a custom size, we can do it, but we're hoping that these sizes should be good for everybody. If you have any queries, please call us.